Hi, good morning. Ngayon naman, last week pinag-aralan natin yung decimal place and yung value nun. Ngayon, let's now learn about comparing and ordering number or ordering decimals. And last week din napag-aralan natin yung converting ng decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal. Sabi natin ang fraction at ang decimal ay related o pareho lang kasi nga that is a parts of a whole, no? Ang decimal ganun din ang fraction. So we know now how to convert the fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction. Ngayon naman, pag-aralan natin yung comparing and ordering decimal. Okay. So paano ba mag-compare at mag-order ng decimal? So let's go first for ordering the decimal. Okay. Or compare the decimal. To compare decimals, we first observe the whole number part of a given. So kailangan tignan muna natin baka may binigay na whole number before or yung whole number before the decimal point. Then doon tayo unang mag-compare. Then if they have the same value, kung may pareho silang value, we compare the tenths place, then the hundreds place, and so on. So kung pareho silang may whole number at pareho yung worth or yung values ng whole number, so let's compare to the tenths. Kung pareho ulit sa tenths, mag-compare tayo sa hundreds and so on, no? Decimal number may be compared using the place value chart. Compare the digits in each corresponding value. The higher the value is, the higher the number. Okay. Okay, let's say we have 1 and 26 hundreds and 26 hundreds. Sino yung mas malaki sa kanila? Or sino yung greater or less than or equal? Siyempre, gagamit tayo ng greater than, less than, or equal. So, sabi sa rules natin, let's compare first the whole number. So, ang whole number dito ay 1. Ang whole number dito ay, wala tong whole number kasi 0. But they have the same value of decimal, 26. Pero, kung mapapansin natin, may whole number yung isa naman 0, walang whole number. So, this is greater than. So, 1 and 26 hundreds is greater than 26 hundredths. Okay. Now, next. How about this one? Okay. Now, pareho silang 0. Walang value yung kanilang whole number. Then, in the decimal place, yung isa, 0. Yung isa, 1. Pero, pareho silang, yung value ng tenths nila ay 6. Then, dito, kung may value or mas mataas yung nasa tenths place value, yun yung ating uh, uh, kukunin. So this time, this is 6 hundredths is less than to 16 hundredths. So ito 6, ito 16 hundredths. So this is less than. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Pareho silang whole number. Yung one's place value ay 0, dito naman ay 7, the next is 5, dito naman ay 7. But this time, 3 digits yung after ng decimal. This time ay 2 digits lang. So, sino ang mas mataas sa kanila? Okay. For this time, this is 2 and 75 hundredths is greater than 2 and 75 thousandths. Paano nangyari yon? Kids, sa decimal, after the number, pwede, hindi na natin kasi nilalagay yung zero. Pwede natin i-omit. So, this time, mas mataas si 7,500. 7,500 kesa sa kay 75,000. Bakit? Kung mapapansin nyo sa tens place value, meron na siyang value na 7 at dito ay 0, wala. So it means mas mataas si 2 and 75 hundredths kesa kay 2 and 75 thousandths. So we always compare after the decimal, i-compare natin yung number kung sino yung mas malaki ang value niya. Okay. Next, how about this time? This is greater than. How about this time? So this one is 75, 2 and 75 hundredths, and this one is 2 and 75 or 750 thousandths. Okay, now, pareho yung value nila sa whole number na 2. Okay. Pareho din sila ng value ng tenths. Pareho din sila ng value ng thousands. Dito, may 0. Dito, walang 0. Sa kabila. Okay, now, may value ba si 0? Wala. So, walang value si 0. So, pwede natin i-omit si 0. Kaya pwede siyang basahin din as 2 and 75 hundredths. So, this time, kahit na may 0 ito, pero wala namang value, pwede natin siyang i-omit. Magiging pareho siya. So, this time, our decimal numbers are equal. Okay, nagkakaintindihan tayo ha? Okay. Now, we always do the greater than, less than, and equal symbol. Now, how to order the number? To order the decimal place or to order the decimals, we compare the decimals and arrange it or arrange them either by ascending, pag sinabi natin ascending order, from smallest to bigger number, or descending from biggest number to smallest number, or vice versa. Okay. Now, let's see the example. Let's say we have 2 and 50 tenths, 2 and 75 tenths, and 2 and 5 tenths. So, let's arrange it in the ascending. It means mula sa maliit, papalaki. Okay. Since pare-pareho silang 2, magsimula tayo kay tens. Ito 5, ito 7, ito 0. So, sino mauna? Siyempre si 2 and 5 tenths. Now, between kay 2 and 5 hundredths and 2 and 75 hundredths, sino sa kanila ang mas maliit? Siyempre, the second time, or the second decimal number is 2 and 50 hundredths. And the last is 2 and 75 hundredths. So this is ascending from smallest number to biggest number. Now, how about descending? Let's say we have 0 and 50 tenths, 50 hundredths, 0 and 55 thousandths, and 1 and 0, 1 and 5 tenths. So, sino ang mauuna? Siyempre, sabi nga natin, descending ang gagawin natin from the biggest number to smallest number. So, the biggest number is yung may whole number, which is 1 and 5 hundredths. Now, between, okay, ito yung nauna. Okay. Now, between the two decimal na natitira natin, decimal numbers na natitira natin, they have 0 in their whole number. So, pareho silang 0. Pareho yung value ng whole number nila ay 0. Now, let's compare from 5, the next number after the decimal place, and 0. So, sino sa kanila ang mas malaki? Kasi descending ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, ang mauuna ay si 50 hundredths and the last is 55,000. So, descending. Teacher, bakit ganun? Bakit nahuli si 55,000? Kasi nga thousands siya. Remember, sa fraction, sino ang mas malaki? Si 1/2 or si 1/3? Ba? So, mas malaki si 1/2. Okay. Mas malaki si 1/2. Ganun din sa decimal. Sino ang mas malaki? Si 100, si 1/100, o si 1/1000? Okay. Siyempre, mas malaki yung 1/100 kesa sa 1/1000. Okay, bakit? Kasi ito hundreds yung parts niya. Ito thousand. So imagine niyo yung pizza, no? In-slice into 100 slice, no? 100 pieces or 100 slices. So mas malaki siyang tingnan si 100 slices kaysa sa 1,000 slices. Mas malaki yung cut ng pizza sa dun sa 1,000 na cut ng pizza. Mas maliit na yun, mas manipis na. So, mas mauuna si hundreds and si kesa kay thousands. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, kids, ay decimal. So, again, when you compare and ordering numbers, you must observe the whole number first, kung pare-pareho naman sila ng value. Next is observe the number after the decimal point. Kung pareho pa rin, uh, tuloy lang ang pag-observe hanggang sa hundreds and sa thousands place value. Again, this is decimal number, not the whole number. Kaya you always observe the numbers in the decimal place. So that's all for today. And please work on your worksheet regarding with this comparing and ordering decimal place. Thank you and goodbye.